Hey, ChatGPT, what is the meaning of life? The meaning of life is a question that has puzzled philosophers for centuries, and it is a question that each person must answer for themselves. Some people believe that the meaning of life is to find happiness, while others believe it is to make the world a better place. Still others believe that the meaning of life is to fulfill a specific purpose or destiny. There is no one correct answer to this question, as the meaning of life is subjective and can be different for each individual. However, here are some common ideas that people have about the meaning of life. To find happiness, many people believe that the meaning of life is to be happy and to find joy in the world. This can be achieved through activities such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies and interests, and living in the present moment. To make a difference, some people believe that the meaning of life is to make a positive impact on the world and to leave it a better place than they found it. This can be done through volunteering, activism, or simply by being a kind and compassionate person. To fulfill a purpose, others believe that the meaning of life is to fulfill a specific purpose or destiny that has been predetermined for them. This could be related to their career, their relationships, or their personal goals. To find enlightenment, some people believe that the meaning of life is to achieve a state of enlightenment or spiritual awakening. This can be achieved through practices such as meditation, yoga, or mindfulness. To find meaning in suffering, some people believe that the meaning of life is to find meaning and purpose in suffering and adversity. This can be done by learning from difficult experiences and using them to grow and become a stronger person. Ultimately, the meaning of life is a deeply personal and subjective question, and each person must find their own answer through their own experiences and beliefs. It is important to remember that there is no one right answer to this question, and that each person has the freedom to determine their own meaning and purpose in life.